Did you know that Portuguese verbs are divided in 3 groups? Each group is based on the last 2 letters of the infinitive form. So we have AR, ER, and IR verbs. Let's learn how to conjugate regular ER verbs in the Preterite past tense. Look at the verb in the infinitive and remove the ER. That is the stem. The Preterite tense expresses a past action that was completed. The stem for comer is COM. For first person, add I to the stem. Eu corri. For second person singular tu, add ESTE to the stem. Tu bebeste. For third singular person and second person você, add EU to the stem. Ele, ela, você escreveu. For first person plural, add EMOS to the stem. Nós compreendemos. The ER verb conjugation for nós is the same for present tense and preterite. For plural third person and second person vocês, add ERAM to the stem. Eles, elas, vocês receberam. So let's recap. Eu resolvi, tu resolveste, ele resolveu, nós resolvemos, eles resolveram. Easy, right? Did you know that our patrons on patreon.com watch our videos firsthand? Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Learn European Portuguese online.